It's around 5 a.m. I didn't get any sleep last night. I'm feeling absolutely awful, but that's just how it goes, you know? About to clean up my workshop and we'll get on with the project today. So the project for today is putting a DINS connector on this stinger for my stick welder. A few months ago I ordered this heavy hitter TIG rigs 250 amp TIG torch, and it didn't come with a DINS connector, so I sacrificed the DINS connector that came on my stinger. As a result of this ordeal, this lead has remained without a cover, completely naked for almost a year, because I just haven't gotten around to it. Stuff's gotten in the way. So today we are Now, this doesn't really need a video made about it, but let's be honest, your boy needs some content. Alright, so let's check what size this bad boy is. Okay, we have this one with alright, this is gonna be pretty easy. We put in this I think it's called a ferret or something. Or maybe that's an animal. Oh, it's a feral, that's what it's called. Yeah, alright, gotcha. Alright, thread it through. And I realized I already made a mistake. We need to put this on first. Make sure that if you do this, you do not, I repeat, you do not, okay, mess up any of these wires. Otherwise, there is a huge risk for a fire hazard. Alright. Putting it in. Putting the little thingamajig in. This clamps the ferrule, I think it's called that, down. And we tighten this bad boy up. Alright, now it's as easy as sliding on this this cover, making sure that the marks align, and then this just needs to be pushed in. There we go, and good as new. In fact, probably better than new, because it's a better part. Okay, I'm sure this will work, but we'll test it anyway. Gotta turn on this welder. Was that the right thing? I don't know. Let's try this again. Hopefully my breaker doesn't pop. We'll turn that bad boy off. Oh yeah, and the freaking thing's too... Alright, test run on some forgot to put the crown clamp on. Let's go. Alright, test on some... You see how freaking difficult this freaking garbage is for me to film? Alright. Test running some old, I think this is 6013 or something, on this, what looks to be 1/4 inch steel. Alright, shields down. And wow, look, it's a weld. Wow, you guys ever seen a weld before? That's so insane. See ya.